Hi, students. Myself, Professor Jitendra Engre, Senior Lecturer from Praveen Patel College of Diploma Engineering and Technology, Naugar, Bhayandar East. To our today's topic, English Unit Assignment, we discuss assignment number 6, that is presentation on using correct grammar. Presentation on using correct grammar. So, student, presentation. You know that presentation, either PowerPoint presentation is there. While preparing PowerPoint presentation, first of all, it is important to you. You have to first of all select the proper topic, then prepare the content and make it PowerPoint or that is PPT, PowerPoint presentation. While preparing the content, okay, you have to properly arrange it in a systematic order. Then put the proper in a proper logical sequence in a well grammatical order, and those are the content basic knowledge you have to presenting before group of people. But in this assignment, the presentation on using correct grammar. So we select the topic on conjunction. Any topic we have to select. Okay, there is no fixed idea to select only one this topic. Any relevant topic, any simple topic you have to select as per your choice. So student, the practical significance of this assignment. The precise, quick and correct communication always increase efficiency and productivity of technical assignment at workplace. Correctness is required in context with the uses of vocabulary, pronunciation and syntax. The formation and delivery of the correct structure play the crucial role in making the oral presentation effective. Thus, software-based presentation provide the platform for maximum learning experience related to the delivery of the presentation. This learning experience will help the student to develop the competency in communication as well as in English, in a spoken as well as in a oral form too. The relevance program outcomes, basic knowledge required, communication skills, individual and teamwork also there. Relevant course outcome, formal grammatical correct sentences, deliver prepare presentation speech to express ideas, thoughts and emotions. Deliver presentation on using correct grammars. Use computer system including the language lab software. Develop listening, speaking, reading and writing skill. Relevant effective domain related outcomes. Follow safety practice while handling language lab equipment. Demonstrate itself. Demonstrate working as a leader, as a team leader. Minimum theoretical background. We need some minimum theoretical background. Basic knowledge of application of grammar or in a technical presentation is required to be the formation or performing the learning experience. Familiarity of technical and qualities of the good presentation is necessary. The selection of technical vocabulary for presentation is essential. Okay. Experimental setup, language lab with relevant software of opening resources. Procedure. Opening language lab software, log in your account, then read instruction carefully, select and watch one model PowerPoint presentation, select the topic on search for content, finalize the topic for presentation and discuss the teacher, prepare the PowerPoint presentation, deliver presentation and submit in written form. In this way, we are conducting the procedure. So students, for this presentation, we select the topic conjunctions. So first of all, we select the data or select the content, that is conjunction. So collecting the data regarding our topic, those are the material, those are the collected, those are the data we collected. We have to arrange in a proper systematic order, then prepare the proper PPTs, PowerPoint presentation and arrange in sequentially and make a PPT ready to presenting our presentation before the group of people. So let us see how to presenting the data by selecting the topic conjunction. Conjunctions are the word that join the two words, two phrases, two clauses, either subordinate or main clause, either two main clause. There are the two types of conjunctions, coordinating conjunctions and subordinate conjunction. Coordinating conjunction, they are used to join two or more word, phrase and two or main independent clauses of equal rank. Means same level or equal rank sentences they join. Common coordinating conjunctions are and, but, nor, so, therefore, etc. For example, he is poor, but he is an honest person. In this sentence, but joining the two phrase principal clause is that is he is a poor and he another that is he is honest. So by joining by two clause by a but. For example, my friend enjoy the poetry and fiction as well. My friend joining poetry main clause and fiction well is a subordinate clause. My father invited them the main clause, but they didn't come. Didn't come is a subordinate clause. I know you must be tired, main clause. So I will let you rest. So is the conjunction used, and I will let you again the clause is there. You must work hard, main clause. Face the failure. Means face failure is a subordinate clause joining conjunction or. Means you must work hard or face failure. And, but, so, or, etc. These are the conjunctions used to joining the sentences. Then second, subordinate clause. They are used to join the main clause and one or more than subordinate clause. They introduce the independent clause and describe the relationship between the dependent clause and subordinate clause or independent clause in sentence. Common subordinate conjunctions are unless, after, till, since, if, before, than, that, therefore, although, where, when, while, because, as soon as, until, etc. These are the common subordinate conjunctions. For example, if you pay the bill, I will be very happy. If you pay the bill, I will be very happy. Here, if is subordinate conjunction which introduces subordinate clause. You will pay the bill. For example, I won't pay unless you provide good immediately. I won't pay and another one, you provide the good immediately. Two clauses joining by the joining conjunction unless. Unless is a subordinate conjunction. He will not see him till it comes near or very near. Okay. He will not see is a clause, main clause, and it is a subordinate clause joining by till. He had been in a grumpy mood since he got up. Since is a joining conjunction used there, subordinate conjunction used to joining the sentence. If you come late, I will be punish you. If you come late, I will. If clause, okay, is used to joining sentences. Next, let's go the course. Let's go the chores last time before we leave. Before. We should not spend more than we earn. Than is used for subordinate clause. I think that I know who sang this song. That. We spoke quietly because she didn't want Ramesh to hear. Because. As soon as I hear any news, I will call you. As soon as I hear any news, I will call you. As soon as. I definitely meet him whenever I go Paris. I definitely meet him. One clause, another I go to Paris. Another one clause joining by two clauses by whenever. So students, in this way we are selecting any topic, preparing selecting any topic, collecting the data or material related to it, and preparing the PowerPoint presentation and presenting before the group of people. Means you know that how to prepare the presentation and presenting your topic. So that's why we selecting here the topic like conjunction. You do not have any obligation to select conjunction. You may selecting any topic as per your choice and prepare the PowerPoint presentation. So I hope you understood the topic for making PowerPoint presentation very well. Thank you very much.